Scientists have long established that there are traces of Neanderthal DNA in the genome of modern humans. Now, a new study of the facial structure of prehistoric skulls offers new insights and supports the hypothesis that much of this interbreeding took place in the Near East, the region ranging from North Africa to Iraq. The paper was published in the journal Biology. Ancient DNA caused a revolution in how we think about human evolution, says Stephen Churchill, co-author of the study and a professor of evolutionary anthropology at Duke University. We often think of evolution as branches on a tree, and researchers have spent a lot of time trying to trace back the path that led to us, Homo sapiens. But we're now beginning to understand that it isn't a tree, it's more like a series of streams that converge and diverge at multiple points. The team's work gives us a deeper understanding of where those streams came together, says Ann Ross, corresponding author of the study and a professor of biological sciences at North Carolina State University. We know there was interbreeding. But modern Asian populations seem to have more Neanderthal DNA than modern European populations, which is weird, because Neanderthals lived in what is now Europe. That has suggested that Neanderthals interbred with what are now modern humans as our prehistoric ancestors left Africa, but before spreading to Asia. The researchers' goal with the study was to shed additional light on this, by assessing the facial structure of prehistoric humans and Neanderthals. And the evidence shows that the Near East was an important crossroads, geographically and in the context of human evolution. Neanderthals had big faces. But size alone doesn't establish any genetic link between human and Neanderthal populations. Neanderthals were just bigger than humans. Over time, human faces became smaller, generations after they had bred with Neanderthals. But the actual shape of some facial features retains evidence of interbreeding with Neanderthals, this new study shows. Not long ago, the term Neanderthal was used as an insult. But it turns out that, after all, you are probably more Neanderthal than you think. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.